friends, welcome to the Cezanne channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minisforum Venus Series UM590 mini PC. So friend, Minisforum is going to launch two new mini PCs shortly, and friend, the first one will be EliteMini UM590 that comes with a Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU and Radeon graphics to provide powerful performance for your everyday task. And friend, the other one will be the UM690 that comes with Ryzen 9 6900HX, which is also the first mini PC in the world with USB 4 port. And friend, it will be announced later this month. And friend, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX is a processor which is based on Cezanne generation, and it is based on the generation 3 microarchitecture, and generation 3 bring high instruction per clock, lower latency and improved efficiency over generation 2 processors. And friend, the Ryzen 9 5900HX packs 8 high performing cores with 16 threads, offering great headroom in both gaming and productivity applications. And the Ryzen 9 5900HX reaches a max boot clock up to 4.6 GHz, churning out maximum power whenever needed. And the chip is manufactured on modern 7nm TSMC process. And friend, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX offers some impressive graphics horsepower in its Radeon integrated GPU. This iGPU delivers almost 2 TFLOPS for existing other integrated graphics solutions from the likes of Intel's UHD graphics. And friend, it has 8 CUs and can goes up to 2100 MHz, and it supports totally up to 64 GB dual channel DDR4-3200 MHz memory, and also different types of storage expansions, M.2 2280 PCIe SSD and 2.5-inch SATA HDD Slot. And it also comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed if bought with storage. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.